To kiss the Blarney stone, you must be held by the legs, head downwards, over the battlements. Well, they weren't kidding. I'm in a castle. I'm in the Blarney castle, getting ready to kiss the stone. Join me.
Thank you so much for telling me about it. Now I want to go to Scotland. I've always wanted to go to Scotland.
All right, here we go, the Blarney stone. Here's another bedroom.
Okay.
Okay.
No, if we just go that way, it's smaller.
I'm a little scared.
That's it, yeah. Sit here with your back to one, please. Stay back. Stay back.
I'm a little scared.
Hold the two bars for head. This one. Head down, kiss the bottom stone. On the bottom.
Wow. Definitely have to hold on. Look at that. Beautiful, breathtaking.